What if writing emails, letters, or even jokes was as simple as asking a friend? That's exactly what ChatGPT can do for you. Today, you'll learn how to use this amazing tool for emails, letters, and jokes. And if you stay until the end, I'll share bonus tips on making ChatGPT fun and personal just for you. Let's dive in. Let's start with emails. Here's a common situation. You need to ask your boss for a day off. Simply type, "Write a polite email to my boss asking for a day off." Watch as ChatGPT creates a well-structured, professional email in seconds. No more staring at a blank page wondering what to say. It saves time and eliminates that dreaded blank page stress. The best part? You can adjust the tone. Too formal? Just ask ChatGPT to make it more friendly. You can request formal, friendly, or professional, whatever fits your situation perfectly. Now you can communicate with confidence every time. Now let's talk about personal letters, the ones that come from the heart. Let's say you want to write a birthday letter to your sister. You'd type, "Write a heartfelt birthday letter to my sister Sarah." ChatGPT creates a beautiful, warm draft that captures genuine emotion and care. But here's the secret. Add your personal memories and inside jokes to make it uniquely yours. Share specific memories, mention her favorite things, add those special details only you would know. The result is a letter that's both beautifully written and deeply personal. Now for the fun part, let's add some laughter to your life. Coming up with jokes can be tough, even for the naturally funny among us. Let's try this. Write a lighthearted joke about turning 60. Look at that. ChatGPT gives you multiple options to choose from. Chuckle sound effect, perfect for speeches, toasts, or just brightening someone's day. Use it for retirement toasts, birthday cards, or family events. ChatGPT becomes your personal comedy writer. It's a wonderful way to spark creativity and spread joy through the simple power of laughter. Here's how to get the best results. First tip, be specific. Instead of write an email, try write a friendly email to my book club about Tuesday's meeting at 7 p.m. See how much better that result is? You're giving ChatGPT all the pieces it needs to build the perfect message. Second tip, ask for multiple versions. Don't settle for the first draft. It's like trying on clothes until you find the perfect fit. Try different tones, different lengths, different approaches, until you find what feels right for you. Final tip, always add your personal touch. ChatGPT gives you the foundation, but you add the heart and soul that makes it uniquely yours. This combination of AI efficiency and human warmth creates truly powerful communication. So, there you have it. ChatGPT makes writing emails faster, letters more heartfelt, and jokes more fun. Writing doesn't have to be stressful anymore, it can actually be enjoyable. If this helped you discover a new way to communicate with confidence and joy, hit that subscribe button and join us for more easy AI tips designed specifically for everyday life. Until next time, happy writing.